What if the vegetables you rely on to nourish your body are secretly working against you? For millions of seniors, this isn't just a theory, it's a hidden reality. As we age, our bodies become more susceptible not only to deficiencies but also to poor choices. And some vegetables, though considered healthy, can secretly sap your strength, damage your circulation, and accelerate cognitive decline. But here's the good news, while some vegetables can be bad for you, others have the power to turn back the clock, giving you energy, protecting your independence, and strengthening your most valuable asset, your legs. Comprehensive, in this video, we'll reveal the 3 vegetables you must eat every day, and the 3 you should avoid at all costs. Life insights and strategies you can use to take back control of your health, plate by plate. More importantly, we'll share real-life examples, scientific insights, and strategies to help you take back control of your health, step by step. Start your journey to stronger legs, a sharper mind, and a healthier, more confident you. Part 1. 3 vegetables seniors must eat every day. Your body's needs change, but what doesn't change is the importance of muscle strength, brain power, and healthy blood flow. And guess what? Some vegetables deliver sugar directly to all 3. Let's explore which ones deserve a spot on your daily plate. 1. Leafy greens, your feet's best friend. Examples: spinach, kale spinach, Swiss chard, collard greens. Often make the healthy food list, but for seniors, their power goes beyond basic nutrition. These greens are rich in natural compounds called nitrates, which help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and increase oxygen to leg muscles. Science says. A study published in the Journals of Gerontology found that older adults who consumed more dietary nitrates from vegetables had better lower body strength and endurance. Nitrates in leafy greens increase nitric oxide in the body, which dilates blood vessels and improves muscle efficiency. Pro tip: lightly steam greens to reduce oxalates, which can interfere with calcium absorption while retaining most of the nutrients. Tooth bell peppers, shining armor for your cells. Colors: red, yellow, orange, and green, in order of ripeness. Bell peppers are not only pretty, they're also packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps your body produce collagen, the protein that keeps your joints flexible and your skin firm. For older adults, this also means better joint protection, faster muscle recovery, and stronger connective tissue. Did you know? 1 red bell pepper contains more than 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. That's more than an orange. The science behind it. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, and collagen is important for maintaining the integrity of your muscles, blood vessels, and tendons. The stronger your collagen network, the more resistant your muscles are to injury or stress. Tip: eat them raw in salads or lightly sautéed to retain crunch and nutrients. 3. Cruciferous vegetables, the silent guardians. Examples: broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, bok choy. These aren't just any vegetables, they're like bodyguards for your cells. Packed with detoxifying liver glucosinolates, they help your liver detoxify harmful compounds, reduce inflammation, and even protect against age-related cognitive decline. Why they're important for seniors: detoxification systems slow down. Toxins and inflammatory compounds stay around longer, leading to fatigue, weakness, and mental fog. As we age, our detoxification systems slow down. Toxins and inflammatory compounds stay around longer, leading to fatigue, muscle weakness, and mental fog. Cruciferous vegetables provide the natural enzymes your body needs to fight back. Understanding the science. Research from Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience shows that sulforaphane, found in broccoli, may protect brain cells from oxidative stress, a major factor in memory loss and Alzheimer's disease. Cooking tips. Don't overcook roast or steam. Don't overcook. Light roasting or steaming will retain brain-boosting compounds and keep the flavor rich. Part 2. 3 vegetables seniors should never eat, especially after 60. Not all vegetables are created equal. While most are hailed as nutritional heroes, some popular veggies can secretly undermine your health, especially as your body becomes more susceptible to aging. If you're over 60, these 3 veggies may be doing more harm than good. Let's expose the villains lurking right in front of your eyes. 1. Raw kale, thyroid saboteur. Wait, kale? Isn't it considered a superfood? Yes, but only when prepared properly. Raw kale, like other cruciferous vegetables, contains goitrogens, substances that can interfere with thyroid function. In older adults, especially women over 60, who are already at higher risk for hypothyroidism, this can lead to fatigue, a sluggish metabolism, weight gain, and even muscle loss. Case in point, Emily, 67, added raw kale to her smoothie every day. But after months of confusion and weight gain, her doctor diagnosed her with mild hypothyroidism. When she cut out the raw kale and switched to lightly steamed greens, her symptoms began to reverse within weeks. The science. A study in clinical nutrition research found that high intakes of goitrogenic raw vegetables in people who are iodine deficient may suppress thyroid function. Older adults are especially vulnerable because of a natural decline in iodine absorption and metabolism. Safe alternative. Steam or sauté kale for a while before eating. This will kill the goitrogen while preserving most of the nutrients. 2. Eggplant, the hidden poison. Eggplant is a staple in many dishes, but for some older adults, it can cause joint pain, stiffness, or intestinal irritation. That's because eggplant is a member of the nightshade family, which contains solanine, a compound that can cause inflammation in sensitive people. Who's at risk? Older adults with arthritis, leaky gut syndrome, or autoimmune diseases. For them, nightshades can make swelling and pain worse. A real-life example? David, 70, had knee pain that no supplements seemed to help. A nutritionist recommended an anti-inflammatory elimination diet, which eliminated eggplant, tomatoes, and other nightshades. Within 10 days, his joint pain was reduced by half. Research shows. While not everyone is affected, studies in autoimmunity reviews indicate that some individuals will experience an immune flare-up when exposed to solanine, especially if their gut barrier is compromised, a common problem with aging. Warning signs. If you feel sick the day after eating eggplant dishes, like moussaka or baba ghanoush, take note, it could be a mild intolerance. 3. Canned beets, sugar and salt in disguise. Fresh beets are nutritious, rich in nitrates and antioxidants, but canned beets? They're a different story. Many brands pack them with added sugar and sodium, two things seniors should limit to prevent high blood pressure, water retention, and blood sugar spikes. Surprising fact. A cup of canned beets can contain up to 20 grams of sugar and more than 300 milligrams of sodium, about the same as eating a salty candy bar. Real-life impact. Leela, 69, started eating canned beets every day after reading about their heart health benefits. But after a few months, her blood pressure went up. Her doctor discovered she had accidentally consumed a high-sodium variety, and after switching to fresh roasted beets, her numbers returned to normal. The science. Processed vegetables often lose fiber, add preservatives, and throw off their natural nutritional balance. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consume a lot of sodium and added sugars are at significantly higher risk of high blood pressure and insulin resistance. Smart move. Choose fresh or vacuum-packed beets. Better yet, roast them yourself to control the flavor and nutrients. Keep your mind full, it's not just what you eat, it's how you prepare them. These three problem vegetables aren't necessarily bad, but they can become dangerous depending on how and when you eat them. The goal isn't fear, it's awareness. Because when you know better, you can eat smarter, be healthier, and be more active. Part 3. Turn your daily vegetables into anti-aging powerhouses. Cooking tips you need after 60. Anti-aging eating vegetables is one thing. Getting the most anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and muscle-protecting benefits from them? And what benefits do you get from them? That's a science and an art. If you're still eating vegetables the same way you did in your 30s, you're missing out on their full potential after 60. Research-backed kitchen strategies to unlock more nutrients, reduce toxins, increase bioavailability, so every bite works better for your aging body. And increase bioavailability, so every bite works better for your aging body. Tip number 1. Steam. Don't boil. Preserve vitamins and protect your thyroid. Steaming is a golden method for seniors. It breaks down antinutrients like oxalates and goitrogens found in kale, spinach, and broccoli, while preserving water-soluble vitamins like B and C. Why it matters? Boiling can cause up to 50% of nutrients to leach into the water, especially in leafy greens. It's like pouring vitamins down the drain. Pro tip. Steam vegetables until just tender, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then toss them with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon to aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. Tip number 2. Add healthy fats. Unlock fat-soluble nutrients for your brain and bones. Many anti-aging nutrients, like vitamin K in leafy greens, beta-carotene in carrots, and lycopene in tomatoes, are fat-soluble. Without dietary fat, your body can barely absorb them. Simple fix. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil, mashed avocado, or even a little flaxseed oil over steamed or roasted vegetables. Your brain, bones, and skin will thank you. Bonus. Olive oil itself contains polyphenols that reduce oxidative stress and may slow cognitive decline in older adults. Tip number 3. Pair with protein. Protect your muscles and prevent atrophy. Vegetables are rich in antioxidants and fiber, but they lack something that older adults need: protein. When combined properly, this combination can be a powerful weapon against muscle loss, sarcopenia. Best combos: roasted sweet potato plus grilled salmon, steamed spinach plus hard-boiled egg, bell pepper plus stir-fried tofu, broccoli plus cottage cheese or Greek yogurt dressing. The science. A 2023 study in the Journals of Gerontology found that older adults who combined antioxidant-rich vegetables with adequate protein reduced age-related muscle loss by 30% over a 2-year period. Tip number 4. Eat a variety of colors. Color variety is equal to nutrient variety. Each color of vegetable provides different phytochemicals. After age 60, your body's defenses rely on a spectrum of antioxidants. Red, lycopene; tomatoes, red peppers, anti-cancer and heart-healthy. Orange, beta-carotene; carrots, squash, improves vision and immune strength. Green, lutein and folate; spinach, broccoli, protect eyes and brain. Purple, anthocyanins; eggplant, purple cabbage, reduce inflammation and aid memory. White, allicin; garlic, onions, boost circulation and lower blood pressure. Smart strategy. Build your meals around at least 3 different colors of vegetables on each plate. They're not only beautiful, they're healing. Tip number 5. Season them right. Turmeric, garlic and ginger are your secret weapons. Ordinary vegetables are good. Functionally spiced vegetables are even better. Even better. Turmeric plus black pepper soup, a powerful combination. On roasted cauliflower, a powerful anti-inflammatory combination. Garlic plus olive oil on green beans lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. Ginger stress-fried in stir-fried bok choy aids digestion and fights oxidative stress. Clinical facts: these spices not only add flavor but also lower markers of aging like CRP, C-reactive protein, and IL-6, inflammatory cytokine, as confirmed by a meta-analysis in Nutrition Reviews. Tip number 6. Eat early. Your body absorbs nutrients better before the sun sets. Older adults often experience poor digestion in the evening. Eating a large vegetable-rich meal early in the day, an early lunch or dinner, can significantly improve absorption and reduce bloating or indigestion. Bonus tip: a light vegetable soup in the evening helps hydrate, digest, and sleep well without overloading the body. Aging doesn't have to mean weakening, it can mean being refined. It's not about cutting things out, it's about learning to nourish your body smarter than you think and to incorporate them. From the types of vegetables you eat to how you prepare and combine them, every detail can move you closer or farther from vitality. You've just discovered the powerful truth that vegetables are not just food, but therapy on your plate, medicine in disguise, your daily defense against time. But knowledge isn't transformational. It's the small daily choices: steaming instead of boiling, olive oil instead of margarine, adding turmeric instead of an extra cup of salt, that add up over time. So whether you're 60, 70, or 89, you're never too late and never too old. Every bite you take today will shape your future. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with a loved one. Because the greatest gift we can give our families is not just love, but health, the ability to move, cook, laugh, and live fully together.